Hello, this is an unpacking video from manufacturer number 2262403. This is by Umarex, USA. This is a Tactical Force TF4 Ops AEG airsoft gun. It shoots at 325 FPS. It's got a 300 round magazine, collapsible stock. I'm going to take this out so you can get a better look and kind of get a clue if this is what you're looking for. Here will be your airsoft gun registration, information on your return policy, and then your instructions. This will be your battery. It's a 7.2 volt. Here's your charger. Your magazine. Here comes your Allen key tool. Your starter BBs that are kind of a neon green color. Stock. Button right here will release the magazine. You've got a button right here that'll take it from auto to semi to safe.